How to fix Instagram feedback required problem easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, go to Instagram, go to the power usage details, go to this force stop option down here to stop running the CPU, as you can see right here, and also the GPS. And after you click on it, go back, click also on this force stop right here in the app informations page. After you click on it, you have now to go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. Even though that you will lose the data in your Instagram, but the problem is gonna be fixed. After that, you have to turn off your phone and then turn it on again, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.